In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CJ Dropshipping Chrome extension tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the extension in the Chrome Web Store, add it to your browser, and follow the on-screen prompts so you can start exploring confidently. First, open the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official catalog for extensions, themes, and apps, and it's the safest place to install tools for your Chrome browser. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a clean search page with categories like extensions and themes, along with a prominent search bar at the top. Next, use that search bar to look up CJ Dropshipping. Make sure you're viewing results under the extensions category. You should see an entry for the CJ Dropshipping extension. Before you proceed, take a second to verify that you're on the correct listing. Look for a clear name, a recognizable developer, and recent reviews. This quick check helps you avoid imitators and ensures you're installing the intended tool. When you've found the correct listing, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small pop-up that outlines what the extension needs to work properly. Take a moment to review the permissions, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will begin downloading and installing. You might see a brief progress indicator. Allow it to finish without closing your browser. A stable connection helps here, so give it a moment if it seems to pause. After the installation completes, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts are designed to help you get started smoothly. They may include quick explanations of key features or basic setup choices to tailor the extension to your workflow. Read each message carefully and continue through them until you reach the final confirmation. If you see any optional tips during this process, they're there to make your first use easier, so feel free to review them. Once you've completed those prompts, you're ready to use the CJ Dropshipping extension. At this point, you can explore its interface and become familiar with the menus, buttons, and options you'll use most often. Take your time clicking around to see what information is available and how it's presented. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll be navigating and putting the extension to work for your needs. That's it. Open the Chrome Web Store, search CJ Dropshipping, click Add to Chrome, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Enjoy exploring and have a productive session with your new tool.